It's like tailgating, but for nerds. Dude, so we made it out to the regular track of Mayhem. But Dallas Drone Racing is the organization that runs this field, and they got together with Shannon to put on this Mayhem thing. So this is pretty awesome.
The speed in the pits is very hard to judge. It's very subjective.
Most important thing for Heart of America during any public appearance is their pit vipers and their matching 70s porno stashes.
Oh yeah, should I trim my beard tonight? Should I get my stash on?
Make a Sanchez. Evening at Mayhem's practice day. All the teams got here for the official meeting of the mines, and they're out doing the track walk now so that everybody knows officially what procedure is for gates and flags, and there's no discrepancies. So I'm gonna stay out of all that because that really doesn't apply to anything that makes any sense. Practice has started, and I missed the sound of so many copters in the air. Let's get up in there. That's amazing. Next year's winner, Team White Goat. They got the front row pit out. You got two-time back-to-back Euro World Champion Jordan Jet Tempkin as the pit manager. This caution is happening, and they do these cautions every once in a while because there's a bunch of copters out in the field. You crash, you can't turtle, you can't get it, whatever the case may be. Because instead of turtle moding and taking off, they just send another copter out of the pits most of the time. I don't know if that's always going to be the fastest way to do it, depending where you are on the lap, but it seems to be what they do. So they're all out there running around, finding copters like crazy people. Look, it's Nurk.
I didn't crash.
Well,
I got mid-aired.
Oh, well, that's fine. it's only 50% your fault. Nobody wants that one. the lone copter. Oh no, that guy wants it.
Hey, Truck, what color props?
What's that? What color props? Did you know where you went down?
That's the pit entrance gate. They come around that gate, around that flag, and then this is the pit lane. They fly down here at a not full throttle, I think is the only rule. They go like a medium speed. But each of the teams, they land in their designated area. You can get penalties if you get out either side of your chevron markers there. So it's some very involvedness happening. But I think the team's order was set by qualifying or finishing over last year. They even got a number 8. They do things and stuff to make the event happen. Right now, Doug's making it worse or better. We're not sure. But that's going to do it for practice day at Mayhem. We'll be back at 7 o'clock in the morning to do 12 hours of drone team racing. It's going to be awesome. Many, many copters after this day of nonsense. Look at all these things. Oh, there's got some in a bag under the table. There's some over here. There's some more in a bag under the table, hiding on the side with the magnets on top of the laptop. That's always good. And there's Evan Turner over there. That was Jordan, but that's Evan with his sweet ass HOBBYWING shirt. Hell yeah! And Jordan has really nice teeth. You didn't make any cavities or fillings or nothing, man. Good job, Mr. and Mrs. Tempkin.
That should be our thing, the team.
And Chief's in the back.
Chiefs in the back, baby, pulling up the rear.
Yee! So at the end of the night, we got this super sweet sky for bonuses. So that goes after the credits. He's like 6 feet taller than me, and he's got a bigger GoPro stick. The fuck?
What's up? What's up, bud?
Oh, God.
What's up?
What's up?
You want a GoPro?